Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Ipsy. So Ipsy does very kindly gift me this subscription. They send me the monthly Ipsy as well as BoxyCharm. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a subscription box service. For $13 a month, they have other like membership tiers, but for $13 a month, they send you 5 deluxe size beauty items for you to check out. So we'll start with the Ipsy box. Very cute, very festive this month. Okay, so this is for the month of July, and we've got the little info card here. Well, I've got all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, anyways, we got the little info card. So this is the Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape. So I always like to be surprised. So I try to avoid spoilers. Okay, so let's see. I've got all kinds of stuff going on in here. Okay, I know what that, okay, okay, trying to get organized here. So I think this is actually, it says Ipsy, but I believe this is actually the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So we'll do that, we'll do that next. All right, let's just put the box here. See, we're doing it live, totally unorganized. Okay, so this is the Ipsy Glam bag. This is $13 a month. Okay, and let's see what kind of goodies we've got in here this month. We'll just rip it right open. So it says discover yourself, Ipsy. And let's see what we've got. So the Ipsy Glam bag. There we go. Yes, now I feel a bag. Okay. Now I'm just confused because I've got 2 of the same bag in here. So I thought I knew what this was, and I thought what I let's just open it and we'll figure it out because I don't know what's going on anymore. All right. So usually when you see this is the Ipsy Refreshments, and those are that's basically their skincare and body care line, and that's a whole other subscription, but let's just see what's in here and we'll figure out what's what. All right. We've got a cute green tub, and I have no idea what it is. Okay. A cute little green container. It's got shrink wrap on it, so I'm not sure what's going on. Let's find out. Ugh, all right, and it's perforated, so we can open this. Okay, what, okay. Oh, okay, man. I still have 20/20 vision at age 43, and I'm grateful for that. So whenever I say I'm struggling to read something, it means the print's too damn small. Okay, so, and that is so tiny. I'm sure you can't see it. I have it right in front of my face with bright lights, and I can barely see it. Oh, speaking of which, I forgot one of my lights. I don't think it makes a difference now, but let's go ahead and get set up with that one extra light, just in case we need it. All right. Okay, we got one extra little light now. Anyways, okay. This is Give Them Lala. Okay, that is the name of the brand. I've had one item from them before. I believe a lip product that I also received through either Ipsy or BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So this is Give Them Lala. This is Exfoliating Lip Scrub, and this says Sugar Lips. Exfoliating lip scrubs always come in handy. I like that it has the little safety seal, and it's got a nice thick, sugary, scrubby texture, and it smells clean, which is unusual. Usually they have like some kind of fruity smell or a sweet smell. This smells really, I can't quite put my finger on what that scent is. It's not a bad scent. It smells good, but it smells really clean. And let's see, does it say? It just says Sugar Lips. Okay, so we got an exfoliating lip scrub from Give Them a Lala. And this actually looks like it's probably a full size, right? Lip scrubs are usually about this size. So those always come in handy if you like to wear matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks that dry down to a matte, but you tend to look a little chapped. Just give your lips a good scrub with something like this. Apply a lip balm, thin layer, wipe it off, and then put on the liquid lipstick or matte lipstick. perfect pout every time. Okay, sorry, it is taking me forever to get through this. Okay, so this is evidently our glam bag for this month. It's weird because they didn't, usually they give you a defined glam bag for the month. So maybe I'm just confused. We'll see what's going on. All right. Ooh, I love Keys by Soul Care, or excuse me, Keys Soul Care. All right, so what is this? This is the Golden Cleanser. Ooh, I haven't tried the cleanser yet. I have some of the body products from Keys, and they are delightfully decadent. They smell so good. They're so moisturizing. So this is the Golden Cleanser. I believe this is for your face. And usually their stuff smells really nice. I have perfume on right now, so that might make it a little difficult for me to smell some stuff because I'm smelling my perfume. Let's take a look. Okay, I was just curious. It's a gel texture. It has a very light, clean scent to it. Very cool. Okay, so we've got a cleanser. We've got a scrub. And I should, oops, so there we go. Haha. I do have a tissue right here. I thought I had something on my bed. I was like, oh my God, did I leave something on my bed for you guys to see? All right, moving on. All right, we got Shades by Shan. Shades by Shan, another independent makeup brand. Shades by Shan, this is Black Onyx. It's the liquid pen. Well, we know I am all about a liquid eyeliner. And this looks really cool. Look at the shape of this. It does look kind of like a fancy pen. Very cool. It's got shrink wrap on it, so I'm going to try to see if I can just, there we go, that works. If I can just get that off there really quick. You know, sometimes trying to get shrink wrap off of products is, whew, that's a workout, isn't it? Ooh, I love that kind of pen. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, and it looks like it's going to dry down to about a matte finish, it looks like. Ooh, kind of a satin matte. Very nice. Okay, cool. I can definitely get good use out of that. So we've got a cleanser, a lip scrub, and a liquid eyeliner. We've got 2 more items. This is Floss Brighten Up Highlighter. This is a BIPOC and woman-owned company, never tested on animals. If you're not familiar with a BIPOC company, that is Black or Indigenous Peoples of Color. So now you know, in case you didn't. And if I said that wrong, please feel free to correct me. I don't know everything, and I can barely say a sentence without saying like, or you know. This looks actually quite nice. Ooh, okay, so this shade is called Sunbeam. This looks like, ooh, this looks like, okay, this is something I can get into. You probably can't see it very well because of the lighting. But yeah, this is actually a really pretty gold tone. Ooh, pretty. Okay. Well, I'm definitely going to use that because you can never have too much highlighter. Well, no, that's not true. Yes, you can actually. You can actually look like a disco ball, which is not a bad thing. I think that's usually the look I'm going for. What do we got here? This is new and so tiny. INH. It took me a second. Okay. This is INH. This is insert name here, which I think is a funny name. I know that's a hair brand. So this is the Flame Fighter Heat Primer. So I'm obviously not doing a lot of heat styling now, but for those of you that do a lot of heat styling on your hair, here is a heat styling protectant. So this is evidently the glam bag for this month, and for those of you that are not familiar with Ipsy, usually they give you this bag for the refreshments, which is the Ipsy skincare slash body care line, you know, facial cleansers and shaving products, and this is usually the bag the refreshments come in. So I don't know if they just ran out of glam bags this month and I don't get an individual glam bag. Now don't look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm grateful. Thank you. It just caught me off guard. That's all. But not bad for $13. I mean, we actually got, I believe, at least 2 full-size items. We got an eyeliner and a lip scrub, and then we've got the cleanser. Actually, you know what? That's probably full-size too, huh? The highlighter. Well, actually, that's pretty good this month for $13. Or in my case, free because it was gifted. Thank you. But okay, so we've got that. So let's move on to what else is in this box.